Think gardening is too complicated? Let's bust that myth. Some plants are made for beginners. They sprout fast, grow anywhere, and forgive mistakes. Today, I'll show you 6 foolproof crops that almost guarantee your first harvest. No big garden, no big budget, just seeds and a little dirt. Ready to grow your own food? Let's dive in. First up, lettuce, the ultimate beginner's crop. It sprouts in days and you can start harvesting in under a month. Use the cut and come again method, snip outer leaves, and the plant keeps producing. One small patch gives you salads for weeks. Mix compost into the top inch of soil to keep it moist and sweet. Lettuce is your living salad bar, simple, fast, and rewarding. Radishes are the speedsters of the garden, ready in just 21 days. They break up soil as they grow, improving your garden for future crops. Radishes thrive in small spaces and don't need deep soil, just keep them moist and give them sun. For beginners, it's instant gratification. Lower Arnger Dough. High Rears here. Reber Die. Green onions are nearly indestructible and perfect for small spaces. Snip what you need, leave the base, and they regrow in a week. They thrive in shallow containers and keep producing. Protect them from slugs with a ring of crushed eggshells. Fresh onions, all season, from one planting. Basil is easy from seed and grows into a bushy, robust plant. Prune the top stem early to double your harvest. Just snip above a leaf pair. Basil's scent repels pests, making it a great companion for tomatoes. All it needs is sun and light soil. Grow basil for endless pesto and natural pest control. It's your garden's tasty bodyguard. Spinach loves cool weather and is one of the first crops you can plant. Harvest outer leaves early and keep the plant producing for weeks. Feed with compost or organic fertilizer for big, lush leaves. Spinach is nutrient-packed and keeps your kitchen stocked. Start early, harvest often, and enjoy greens before summer hits. Cucumbers grow fast and thrive when trained to climb. Use a trellis or fence to save space and keep fruit clean. Vertical growth improves airflow and reduces disease. Keep soil consistently moist to avoid bitter cucumbers. Mulch helps retain moisture and keeps your harvest sweet. Big yields, small footprint, perfect for any garden. There you have it. Lettuce, radishes, green onions, basil, spinach, and cucumbers. These crops are fast, forgiving, and perfect for beginners. Just start. Seeds want to grow, and you'll learn as you go. Which one will you plant first? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, wansu poderis. Bets, Scherft is Dingers, Ambribins in Bats in Zeinster, Ambradzens der, and Detbern Scharns Pritztero. Andendindines, Sanshur, Stodzandrer, subscribe to join our growing community. Thanks for watching. See you in the garden.